Hello viewers, many people have not got their best offer in this Big Billion Days sale, so a lot of users are actually upset. So they are asking me whether they will get any more offers or not in future. The answer is yes, you will definitely get more offers in Diwali sale or Christmas sale that will come in the month of December. Maybe iPad 10th generation be on offer in that sale. Many people were looking to buy iPad 10th generation in this Big Billion Days sale, but sadly there is no sale on iPad 10th generation. Similarly, the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE is on the higher side. It is selling at a price point of 20,000 rupees, but I thought that the price would have gone to 18,000 rupees, but that is not the case with this tablet. You have to buy this at 20,000 rupees, so I think you may get better offers in Diwali. Similarly, in Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE and S10 FE Plus, there is no such great offers. The price of these two tablets is on the higher side, so you should rather wait Diwali sale to get best offers on these two devices. Similarly, you will get offers on Oneplus Pad 3. Currently the price of this tablet is around 43,000 rupees after all discounts. So if you get this tablet at around 40,000 price bracket, you can definitely buy Oneplus Pad 3. However, a great discount is running on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. This device is selling at a price point of 35,000 rupees in Amazon.in. Using SBI credit card, you can buy this at 35,000 rupees. That is a great offer because you are getting AMOLED display, very good processor, that is Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and we know that Samsung updates are the best update in the Android market. Similarly, there will be discounts on tablets like Xiaomi Pad 7, Redmi Pad Pro, Poco Pad 5G. Also, there will be discounts on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. Currently, the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus is around 25,000 rupees in Flipkart.com. However, the best price for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus is around 22,000 rupees, maximum 23,000 rupees, but you are paying extra 2,000 rupees. So I think you should rather wait for this tablet too. In few days I will make another video with the updated price point of all the tablets. So if you are interested to watch that video, you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.